several wildfires have continued to grow and spread across the state of Washington, driven primarily by high winds and hot, dry weather. Photos of fires burning across western Washington in the Bonney Lake, Sumner area. A large brush fire along Myers Road Northeast has residents in the area ordered to evacuate. East Pierce Fire has 20 fire engines and 60 personnel on the scene battling that fire, and has requested backup from other local fire departments. In Graham, crews are battling a separate fire that has led to the evacuation of the Dorado Estates neighborhood. Homes have been destroyed, but there are no reports of injuries or fatalities at this time. Pierce County has established an evacuation line through the Department of Emergency Management at 253-798-1571. Spurred on by 50-mile-per-hour winds, a fire in Whitman County has almost completely burned down the small town of Malden, Wash, with roughly 80% of its standing structures destroyed. "This came through like a jet plane, it just tore right through here," Whitman County Sheriff Brett Myers said, describing the destruction as the most he's ever seen. "This fire has devastated almost everything it's come in contact with." A separate fire that began in Okanogan County has evacuations ordered in Mansfield, west of the Grand Coulee Dam. But with many of the roads rendered unsafe as the fire has spread, the Douglas County Sheriff's Office has urged residents to take shelter at Mansfield High School. Bonney Lake Mayor describes evacuating his home amid ongoing fires. A containment line has held for a 118-square-mile fire in Yakima County that started on August 31 in the Wenas Valley. Poor air quality high, easterly winds have driven much of the smoke from these fires west toward the Puget Sound area. That's affected the air quality in many cities across the region. The Washington State Department of Ecology rates air quality on a scale of 0 to 500. Between 51 and 100 is considered moderate, 101 to 150 as unhealthy for sensitive groups, 151 to 200 as unhealthy, 201 to 300 as very unhealthy, and 301 to 500 is considered hazardous. As of 9:30 a.m., near Lake Forest Park and Shoreline, the air quality sits at 216, while in Bellevue it's up around 175. Air quality is similarly problematic in Everett at 162, while it's between 64 and 166 south of Seattle along the Duwamish Waterway. Around Yesler Terrace in Seattle, air quality is in the very unhealthy range at 209. Residents are advised to avoid going outside, and to close all windows. You can monitor ongoing air quality through the Department of Ecology at this link. Poor visibility due to smoke has also closed down several highways, and led to a handful of crashes. As of early Tuesday morning, closures included large stretches of State Routes 17, 173, and 410, as well as U.S. Highways 2 and 97. There's no estimated time for reopening roads. You can see full updates on road closures here. Governor Inslee respondsGov.